In this video, I'm going to help you understand the difference between all the campaign types in Amazon ads. You need to understand what all the campaign types are and the nuances around each one. This is crucial for maximizing sales and scaling Amazon PPC. As an experienced Amazon seller, I've found that focusing on sponsored products can drive 80 to 90% of your sales. Sponsored products are the 80-20 of Amazon PPC. This makes it highly profitable and time efficient to focus on sponsored products. In this video, we'll dive into the role of exact, auto, broad, and product targeting campaigns in Amazon PPC, and then I'm going to walk you through the structured approach to setting up and running Amazon PPC campaigns effectively. But before we do that, I want to discuss the difference between the 4 campaign types that we run. I'm Dr. Travis Zigler, a retired optometrist who achieved financial time and location freedom by building an online business to $500,000 per month and then selling it for a multi-million-dollar exit. I did this by focusing on Amazon PPC and my perpetual sales machine strategy. I've also helped other brands exceed $10 million per year in sales through my agency, but unlike many gurus, I have real experience in creating successful businesses online and specifically on Amazon. But enough about me, let's jump in. Let's first discuss the role of discovery campaigns, which are broad and auto campaigns. Discovery campaigns serve a vital purpose. They help you uncover new search terms and ASINs that can later be utilized in more targeted campaigns. By using broad campaigns, you can identify single search terms that are effectively driving sales. We name these BR_the ASIN _ the search term in your campaign structure. Additionally, auto campaigns, or ATMs, how we name them, are another form of discovery campaigns. In these, Amazon uses its algorithm to match your ads with relevant search terms and products. This automatic targeting is a great way to gather data on which keywords and products are performing well, without the need for your manual input. Discovery campaigns need to have a great negative keyword list uploaded to them to save you a ton of money. This will cost a lot more, and they usually, not always though, run at a higher ACoS. Let's move on to point number 2, why we skip phrase campaigns. In our strategy, we don't typically use phrase campaigns. These are similar to broad campaigns that they're slightly more restrictive. They can serve as discovery tools, but in our experience, they don't add significant value beyond what we get from broad and auto campaigns. Number 3, let's talk about scaling with exact and product targeting campaigns. Once a search term or an ASIN has proved its effectiveness in your discovery campaigns, we usually define this as generating 3 or more sales in 60 days, it's time to move them to scale. This is where exact match campaigns and product targeting campaigns come into play. In exact match campaigns, your ads are shown for searches that match a specific term you've selected. This precision allows you to focus your budget on search terms that are known to perform well based on the data from your discovery campaigns. Again, this is a single keyword ad campaign. Product targeting campaigns let you target specific ASINs. This means your ads will appear on the pages of these targeted products. This is an excellent way to place your products alongside similar or complementary items, or even compete directly with competitors' products. Number 4, the advantage of focusing on sponsored products. By concentrating on sponsored products, especially with exact and product targeting campaigns, you streamline your Amazon PPC strategy. This approach not only saves you time, but it also boosts profitability and organic rank. Sponsored products are typically the most effective type of Amazon ads, driving a significant portion of your sales for many sellers. Therefore, you will not be focusing on sponsored brands or display for now or even in this course. Sponsored brands and sponsored display can be great if you have an unlimited budget, but they usually cost significantly more. Point number 5. Focusing on TACoS, not ACoS. A pivotal aspect of Amazon PPC is to focus on total advertising cost of sale, your TACoS, rather than your advertising cost of sale. If this is not your first video with me, and you have gone through all the chapters like we've talked about, you've heard me say this over and over again. Our aim is to find high converting keywords that not only boost your sales, but also improve your organic rank. When you do this, this helps you reduce your TACoS, which increases your profitability. And again, I've gone over this point in previous chapters as well, but I go over it over and over again because it is that important. Focus on an account-wide ACoS perspective. Instead of fixating on the ACoS of individual campaigns, assess the overall account ACoS. High ACoS in one campaign can still contribute to a lower TACoS, making your operations more profitable. In Amazon PPC, understanding and effectively utilizing the different campaign types can significantly impact your sales and overall success. Focusing on sponsored products with a strategic mix of discovery, which are broad and auto, and scale, which are exact and product targeting campaigns, offers a streamlined, efficient path to enhancing your product visibility and profitability. Remember, the key is to gather data through discovery and then concentrate your efforts on what works, ensuring your PPC efforts are as effective as possible. I say this over and over again to make sure you really understand it. All right, your action items for this video. Set up and optimize a discovery campaign, which is a broad campaign, a single keyword broad campaign, and an auto campaign for discovery purposes. Use these campaigns to identify effective search terms and ASINs for scaling. And then secondly, implement a robust negative keyword list for these campaigns to make sure you're saving money and prevent unnecessary spending. If you haven't yet signed up for my free Amazon PPC Masterclass, you can check out my profile for more information, or you can head to profitablepineapple.com to sign up for that today. This was just one chapter in my free Amazon PPC Masterclass, which is better than any paid course out there, in my opinion. We've only just scratched the surface. To unlock even more profitability with your advertising, continue watching this full Amazon PPC Masterclass. I put the video right here so you can click it and watch that entire Amazon PPC Masterclass. If you want this entire Amazon PPC Masterclass emailed to you, make sure you head to profitablepineapple.com and sign up for our free Amazon PPC Masterclass.
If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel.
Good job.